Hey guys, so today's video is going to be quite a quick one. I'm filming on my iPad because my iPhone is taking forever to upload my Boxycharm video, which should have been up yesterday. But today I'm going to be reviewing the Anastasia Beverly Shimmer body oil. This is what it looks like. I wasn't going to get this, and then my mom decided to pick it up, so I was like, I guess I have to as well, because, which is weird, I didn't think my mom would be into this stuff, but this is what the packaging looks like. I don't know, this is really gonna be really hard to focus. There we go. So pretty. So glittery. I'm probably gonna go outside to demo it, also inside, but I don't know how well it's gonna show up on my skin with this camera, but I have already worn it once and it smells so good. Now, let's see what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can tell. I'm just gonna rub it in the skin. It's very, okay, here's the thing with this body oil. It's moisturizing and it's not oily, and when you go in the sun you can really see it, but obviously you can't really see it right now. So let me just spray some on the back of my hand. That's what it looks like. Just rub it in. But it's actually very moisturizing, and it's not like it's oily like baby oil. Like, I know there's most oils out there that, like shimmer body oils, that are tacky, kind of like the, I think the Fenty Beauty one, the Body Lava is. I'm not sure how the Huda Beauty one is, but this one is actually really nice and moisturizing. So we should probably go out in the sun and try it out before it gets dark. It's not too dark right now, thank God, so I'm gonna go ahead and go outside. Okay, so we are now out in the sun. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I can't really tell because I'm blind right now. The sun's right in my face, but let me try and put some on. I don't know where to go. I'm so confused. Give me 1 second. Let me actually set you guys down. It's gonna be quite difficult. Okay, let me just put some like over here and kind of just rub it in. Putting some on my legs because why not? And the other day I put some on my chest to give it a little glow, because why not? By the way, this stuff smells like the beach. It smells so nice. Okay, let me, there's this. Set that over here, and I'm gonna bring you guys over here. Let's see if it made a difference at all. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is very shimmery, and I am blind, but yeah, let's move this back inside, I guess. So like on this camera you can tell that I'm like a little bit moisturized and glowy, but you can't really see the shimmers on this camera, which sucks, but like that. I don't know. This is a shitty quality video, I'm so sorry. If my camera, my phone, or Wi-Fi, I don't know what's going on, it's taking forever to upload my other video. If that was good, the quality would be so much better. I'll probably end up taking pictures and putting them in, but yeah, I don't know how long this video is, but it's probably very short. But this guy I think was $38 when I got it in Sephora the other day. It smells so good and I feel very moisturized. It's definitely a summer go-to, especially if you're gonna go to the beach. Yes. But yeah, I really like this stuff so far. If you're gonna get a body oil that's glowy, get this one for sure, because it smells amazing and it's not greasy. It's just, it's very moisturizing and I appreciate that. So thank you, Anastasia Beverly Hills. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. That completes this video. Sorry it was so quick. I'm gonna try to have another video up for you guys very soon. I need to film the Natasha Denona Sunrise palette, so I'll probably end up doing that once my upload is done on my phone, so it's better quality, because I will never film on this camera for my iPad because it sucks. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!